Hi, I'm John. This is my 1988 BMW M3. I've owned it for 27 years. It's kind of a homologation special. It was built specifically for racing. The only thing you could put on this race car, you had to put on the street car, so it's got all the goodies. It's got the box flared fenders all around. In fact, the only body panel that's interchangeable with another 3 Series from this year is the hood. Everything else is completely different. The engine's kind of a one-off. It's been a fun car over the years. All 3 of my daughters learned how to drive a stick in it, and it still has the original clutch, which is pretty amazing. The original paint, it was my daily driver for the first 5 years I had it, so haven't really taken it easy on it, but it looks really good. All the paint held up really well. Interiors held up pretty well. Had the engine rebuilt a few years ago. It's a fun car. Doesn't have any driver's aids, doesn't have anything other than ABS, so it's a real driver's car. If it's going to swap ends, you have to do something about it. And there's no driver's aid that's going to step in and save you. So anyway, it's an awesome car. Probably keep it forever. And seems to get a lot of attention anywhere I go. Thanks.